Today, I'm going to talk to you about something that's near and dear to my heart. We're going to talk about eye health. I'm going to even share with you my eye health roller recipe, which is great for recovering from eye surgery, reducing eye pressure, for maintaining good eye health, and even for improving your vision. Hi, I'm Rainey Ray, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. Hit the subscribe button and click that little bell, and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. At the end of this video, you'll have access to my Aging Backward Naturally ebook. It's loaded with some really cool gems. I want to talk to you today about eye health. As I said, this is near and dear to my heart, but we all want to keep our vision as good as we can for as long as we can. We want to live younger longer. Who wouldn't like to improve their vision? So here's what happened. I had to have eye surgery, and this was in 2020, and it was on my bad eye, my left eye. It was actually a detached retina, and my eye surgeon, who was wonderful, did a great job. And after the surgery, your pressure is normally up anyway. And he said he wanted me to use these drops. I said, oh boy, I'm not comfortable with that. How about I use my oils and check back with you in a week? And I bet that my pressure will be lowered and within normal range. Well, he agreed. So I left his office and I quickly opened up my Essential Life book. I love this third-party reference. And I went into the section that talks about eyes, and I went into the quick reference section where it talks about glaucoma, because glaucoma is eye pressure, okay? I looked and I saw that there were 5 oils that were recommended in the quick reference section. And back in the section, actually the nervous system section, those oils were popping up again and again for eye issues. What I did was I made a roller. I took a 10 mil roller, generally what we do use. And I put 20 drops of each of these 5 oils in this 10 mil roller. And then I used it on my eyes twice a day. Now, we're not supposed to put oils in our eyes. So what you do is you'll take the roller and you do like a C and then a backward C, okay? Then I would rub it in just gently. And I did that twice a day. We know these oils are powerful. I trust the oils. I really wanted to win the bet. So I returned to the surgeon's office a week later, and his staff took my eye pressure. And lo and behold, it not only had reduced, but it was safely within the normal eye pressure range. I was ecstatic. I had been using this roller recipe 1 to 2 times a day, and I continued to use it daily just to maintain good eye health. So about a year after that surgery, my eye doctor said I should have my eyes refracted again to see if my left eye needed a prescription change. Well, the staff refracted my eyes, and my left eye, of course, improved back to what it had been prior to surgery, actually a little better. But my right eye improved so much that my ophthalmologist asked her staff to redo the refraction, and then she redid it because she had not seen anything like that since she was in school when you're, going through and learning from all of the various studies. These oils work. These oils are powerful. I love these oils. A month ago, in my good eye, I had a little tear in my retina there. These things happen as you get older. I'm 67 years old, remember. I was terrified because almost 100% I use my good eye. So my doctor said, don't worry, we can use green laser on it and basically tack or weld that little tear. The eye surgeon said that people don't get their vision back, what they had before the surgery, until at least 3 months after surgery. Well, I said to him, I could do better than that. So I'm a month post-surgery. My vision in my right eye, I can tell it's almost back to what it was before the surgery. I love these oils. I can't wait to go back in to see him at the end of the month. It'll be a little over a month post-surgery. So anyway, use this recipe consistently, because remember, using something more frequently is better than just dumping a bunch once in a while. So we all all want to live younger longer. We all want to maintain our youthfulness, our energy. Our eyes are part of that, and good eye health and good vision. So let's improve our vision. Let's maintain good eye health and live younger longer, even age backward. As I promised, you'll have access to my Aging Backward Naturally class if you just click the link below. In addition, I have my Aging Backward Naturally ebook, which I think you'll really like. So I'm so grateful for you being here. I really appreciate you taking the time. If you found value in what I've had to say in this video, then give it a thumbs up and check out my other videos. You know, together we can live younger longer. Take good care.